Hi Scorpio, this is Chloe from the Galactic Soul coming to you with a love reading today. Holy crap, already happening. I am Chloe, I'm a psychic medium, tarot reader, Avi. I am a historian as well as an ordained minister. I talk everything having to do with tarot, to the universe, and why we're here. So definitely hit subscribe if you're into that kind of thing, but we're gonna totally see what's going on in your love life, Scorpio. Looks like a little bit of craziness. So here we are. So let's see. Oh my God. All right. So there was a party. We have the Three of Cups and then we have the Nine of Cups. There was a party and there may have been somebody there at the party and you really thought that they were it. You were thought that they were it, but they did something crazy. And we have the Eight of Cups. Eight of Cups is literally walking away from everything. And I don't know if it's because it's something that they said, but I think it was like a situationship where you're like, I like having them around, but they're just like not it for me. They're great. They're nine cups of energy. They're fantastic. They have everything that I could have hoped for. But again, Nine of Cups. There's a Ten of Cups, which is absolutely fantastic, right? There was one cup missing. One cup missing to where you literally were like, you know what? I'd rather leave all of those cups because that one cup is not fulfilled. So that could have been a small little situationship that you had, Scorpio. But going into this, the last four cards, I might pull some more because I might need some clarification. However, we have three major arcana and then one minor. So major arcana cards are huge changes. Minor is literally a minor detail, right? So we have the Lovers, we have the High Priestess, we have Knight of Swords, and then we have the Death card. Don't freak out. You're not dying. So the Lovers card, a lot of people are like, oh, you're meeting your soulmate. This is fantastic. But for me personally, it is balancing your masculine and your feminine. And you're having a really tough time doing that because there is a mountain in between the two beings. And these two beings, there's just like, they're very far apart from each other. And it's very, very difficult for you to match. But in order for you to be balanced in the masculine and your feminine, you really have to step into your higher realm. So there is an angel on this card. You could look online for this card, but there is an angel and they're coming down from the sun and it also has some clouds in between, which means divine timing. So this angel, aka your higher self, is coming to you at this time and they're basically guiding you how to manipulate your masculine and your feminine to feel more balanced. You're either really, really feminine where you want everything to come to you, or you're really, really masculine where you're putting so much energy out there that you're not getting anything back. So there has to be this reciprocal situation in life where you're giving out the amount of energy and getting it back. If you just keep giving and your cup is empty, when something amazing comes along, when a great opportunity comes along, you're not going to have any energy to give that. So we really need to focus on balancing this masculine and feminine energy. Then we have the High Priestess. High Priestess is more of the higher self situation, but it is more of the balance. It's balancing your life as well, your physical life, as well as your spiritual life. So we're going to try to not only balance the masculine and the feminine that you have going on, but you have to balance your higher self as well as your physical self. Also, the High Priestess is very much looking spiritually higher. So you need to raise your consciousness, you need to raise your vibration, and raising your vibration is automatically going to open more opportunities because you're focusing on the positive and not the negative. So when you are focusing on the positive, it's more of an overview of like, what can I learn from this rather than like, why is this happening to me? So as of right now, there was a small situation where you were going back and forth with somebody, but really you're focusing on yourself right now, which is super, super. And we have the Knight of Swords and Death. So I feel like this is a time right now where like looking back at you're going to look back on this and be like, wow, that was like a blip. But like, as you're in it right now, you're like, when is this gonna end? It's taking forever because we do have the Knight of Swords And Knight of Swords is very much action. So I do see like super, super fast.
Hi friends, just wanted to put a shameless plug in here about my free ebook available on my website, thegalacticsoul.com. It's super easy, and you go to the website, you click the first button that says free ebook, and then you enter all of your information, and bam, the free ebook is right in your inbox. The ebook goes over the basics of mediumship, how to start your journey connecting to the other side, and much, much more. Again, you can go to the website, thegalacticsoul.com, or you can click the link in the pinned comment below for more info. Now, back to the reading.
Yeah, it's going to feel like it's super, super long, but when you look back, it's going to be fast. But there is a death to the old you happening. And this is happening in a lot of people's readings. Lately, there is just so much new energy coming to us from the sun, from the outside, that there is no choice but to crumble the old self. There's no choice but to do it. We are moving at such a rapid rate. Wow. And your old self is dead. They're not here anymore. And you are realizing that every single day. The more that you grow, you're like, wow, the old me totally would have done that, or the old me totally would have done that. But it's just not you anymore. And the more that you figure out who the true you is, Scorpio, I feel like that's going to help a lot. There is a decision that needs to be made. The Two of Swords just popped out. Oh my gosh, that was crazy, that one. And then we have the Page of Pentacles. So you might be focusing on a career move right now, whether that's a new career or you got a promotion, new job, new something like that. And so new energy is coming in where you're going to put somebody, and whoever this resonates for, please let me know. You are going to put somebody on a pedestal, and you're going to have to make a decision, because self-sabotaging yourself a little bit, Scorpio, where you are wishing and hoping that this is going to happen, but really you should be focusing on yourself. But you are wishing and hoping, and you're asking your friends, hey, I need help figuring this person out. I'm not 100% sure. And they have you hooked. And the Devil card came out, and the Three of Pentacles. So right now we have the Two of Swords, the Page of Pentacles, the Devil, and the Three of Pentacles. But really, I am looking at it as like you are sabotaging your own energy of working on yourself, and you're still giving it out. You're still wishing and hoping, and you are giving out all of your energy to everyone else, but you should be focusing on yourself. That decision for me personally has already been made, but you need to make that decision in order to move forward, because you keep asking your friends for help. You keep making excuses for this person. Again, this is a brand fresh, spanking new person. You literally just met them. It is a new situation, but you are putting them on a pedestal. And it's because they have things. They have the nice job. They have the nice penthouse. They have the nice car. They have money to spend on you and whatever, but like, overall they aren't giving you the energy that you deserve. And I feel like you need to make the decision to choose you. You need to choose you, Scorpio. That's really important here. Let's see what else needs to come out really quick, and then we will move on. All right, so let's see what this is. Ace of Swords, be logical here. Choose the logical route. Ace of Swords, definitely choose the logical route. Be smart about this. Materialistic things are not everything, honey. Scorpio, you know yourself, but not really, because you need to learn more a little bit about yourself. But we're going to get through it. It's going to be fine. If you need help, I am here for you. So let's see what is going on with the Oracle. You just want to get to engagement. You don't want to do the whole dating thing, and I totally understand. Dating sucks, right? However, it's not that easy. You need to go through all of this in order to find your right match. Free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life. That's 100% the message here. It's time to take back control of your life. You're there, you're with that person, but where's the energy for yourself? Take that as it resonates, Scorpio. I am so happy you joined me today. If this did resonate, definitely leave a comment down below, and definitely subscribe as well, because I have a lot of tarot readings. I have a lot of universe talks. So if you're interested in that stuff, you should definitely hit subscribe. But other than that, I am here for you if you need me, and I am signing off.